Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel Need Prep for Biology by AJ. Today we will discuss 20 most expected NEET MCQ from chapter Reproductive System, Embryology, Reproductive Health. These questions are very much important for the NEET exam. So please do go through this question. Here we start our video. Question 1. Which acid occur in semen? First citric acid, second malic acid, fourth oxaloacetic acid, fourth succinic acid. Which acid occur in semen? The answer for this question is first, that is citric acid. Question 2. Tunica albuginea is the covering around first oviduct, second testis, third kidney, fourth heart. Tunica albuginea is the covering around. The answer for this question is second, that is testis. Seminal vesicle is present at the junction of first prostate and urethra, second prostate and vas deferens, third prostate and corpus gland, fourth vas deferens and testis. Seminal vesicle is present at the junction of. The answer for this question is second, that is prostate and vas deferens. Question 4. Which is unipaired gland in male reproductive system of human? First, Bartholin's gland, second, seminal vesicle, third, prostate gland, fourth, corpus gland. Which is unpaired gland in male reproductive system of human? The answer for this question is third, that is prostate gland. Question 5th. Sperms and ova are first ectodermal in origin, second mesodermal in origin, third ectodermal in origin, fourth all of the above. Sperms and ova are. The answer for this question is second, that is mesodermal in origin. Question 6. Degenerative process of follicles or egg in ovary is called first metagenesis, second atresia, third regression, fourth none. Degenerative process of follicles or egg in ovary is called. The answer for this question is second, that is atresia. Question 7. Endometrium is lining of first testis, second urinary bladder, third uterus, fourth ureter. Endometrium is lining of. The answer for this question is third, that is uterus. Question 8. In gametogenesis, reduction division takes place during first multiplication phase, second growth phase, third first maturation division, fourth second maturation. In gametogenesis, reduction division takes place during. The answer for this question is third, that is first maturation division. Question 9. Human sperm was discovered by first Leeuwenhoek, second Aristotle, third Graf, fourth Pandor. Human sperm was discovered by. The answer for this question is first, that is Leeuwenhoek. Question 10. Thin cytoplasmic layer is present in middle part of sperm is called first nibuncon, second manchete, third axial filament, fourth Jensen ring. Thin cytoplasmic layer is present in middle part of sperm is called. The answer for this question is second, that is manchete. Question 11. The egg of cockroach is first isoleucical, second teloleucical, third microleucical, fourth centroleucical. The egg of cockroach is. The answer for this question is fourth, that is centroleucical. Question 12. Oligoleucical or microleucical eggs are those which have first no yolk, second small yolk, third more yolk, fourth moderate yolk. Oligoleucical or microleucical eggs are those which have. The answer for this question is second, that is small yolk. Question 13. Luteal phase is the other name of first follicular phase, second proliferative phase, third menstrual flow phase, fourth secretory phase. Luteal phase is the other name of. The answer for this question is fourth, that is secretory phase. Question 14. Which includes the development of corpus luteum? LH, second estrogen, third FSH, fourth LTH. Which induces the development of corpus luteum? The answer for this question is first, that is LH, luteinizing hormone. Question 15. Which is correct? First, menstrual cycle is present in all mammals. Second, menstrual cycle is present in all primates. Third, estrous cycle occurs in all males. Fourth, most mammals are oviparous, which is correct. The answer for this question is second, that is menstrual cycle is present in all primates. Question 16. Father of embryology is first Spearman, fourth Von Bell, third Aristotle, fourth Bonnet. Father of embryology is, the answer for this question is third, that is Aristotle. Question 17. Oxytocin is mainly helping first milk production, second childbirth, third urine formation, fourth gametogenesis. Oxytocin is mainly help in. The answer for this question is second, that is childbirth. Question 18. What is true for cleavage? First, size of embryo increases, second, size of cell decreases, third, size of cell increases, fourth, size of embryo decreases. What is true for cleavage? The answer for this question is second, that is size of cell decreases. Question 19. After which stage cleavage stop? First, after modula, second, after bastula, third, after gastrula, fourth, anytime it stops. After which stage cleavage stop? The answer for this question is third, that is after gastrula formation. Question 20. This is the last question. During pregnancy, the urine of female would contain first LH, second progesterone, third FHH, fourth SCG. During pregnancy, the urine of female would contain. The answer for this question is fourth, that is HCG, human chronicogonadotropin. Thank you friends for watching NEET Prep for Biology by AJ. I hope your preparations are going well. Please do practice more and more questions from this video so that you can gain more knowledge and crack the NEET fast. Hope you are the future doctors. So please do follow this channel. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you friends. Keep smiling. Bye bye.